In today's video, I'm going to teach you Odoo website order tracking. If you want customers to follow the progress of their orders directly from your Odoo website or portal, this setup is straightforward once you know where the key options are. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enable the shipping carrier side of the process and where to place the tracking information so it appears properly for the customer. First, open Odoo and go into the inventory app. This is where delivery operations are managed, and it's also where the shipping-related configuration lives. If you handle outgoing shipments through Odoo, this is the main area you'll use to connect order fulfillment with customer-facing tracking updates. Once you're inside the inventory app, click on Configuration, then go to Settings. This section contains the operational options that control how inventory and delivery workflows behave. If you're setting up tracking for the first time, this is an important place to review because it allows you to connect Odoo with external carrier services. From there, go to Shipping Methods so you can activate connectors for carriers such as UPS, FedEx, or DHL. These connectors help Odoo work with supported shipping providers and are especially useful if you want a cleaner, more automated delivery workflow. Make sure the carrier you plan to use is enabled here, since that connection supports how tracking details are associated with the shipment. Even if your internal process is simple, having the correct shipping method activated helps keep order tracking more consistent for the customer. Next, when you're processing a delivery order in the inventory app, paste the generated tracking code into the tracking reference field. This step is essential because the tracking reference is what links the shipment to the customer visible tracking information. Be careful to paste the code exactly as provided by the carrier with no extra spaces or missing characters. A small typo here can prevent the customer from seeing accurate shipment status. Finally, by default, Odoo pushes the delivery stage to the customer's portal. That means once the delivery order is updated and the tracking reference is in place, the customer can typically view the shipment progress from their side without needing a separate manual update. This makes the experience smoother for both your team and your customers, since it reduces the need for follow-up emails asking where an order is. That's all it takes to set up basic website order tracking in Odoo. Configure your shipping methods, enter the tracking reference correctly during delivery processing, and Odoo handles the portal visibility from there.